What's going on, everybody? Dr. Scott with the Full Body Fix. I'm super excited today because I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my new True Links OG10 golf shoes. Limited edition, special colorway, and these are going to be replacing my Old Faithful originals in full black. These have well over 50 rounds on them over 2 years, and they're still in great shape, but hey, new colorway, got to give it a try. If you're not familiar with True Linkswear, they make golf shoes with a natural footbed, and I love them. Here's more, 2 pairs of knits. I've been a True Links guy since 2012. I had a pair of gray PHXs, and now it's time to continue to enjoy the walk with their newest release, the limited edition OG10. Only 500 made, and I got number 95. That means I also got a little extra present. Should be a ball marker in here. Yes, wooden ball marker. That's a nice touch. A couple of T's. That's cool. And of course, whoo, there they are. The thing I love about all True Linkswear shoes is they come very wearable right out of the box. They're very supple. They have a natural footbed, meaning a wider toe box, and close to zero drop heel. And these are waterproof, and I'll show you some of the texture here. They have this nice perforated part. I'm interested to see how that kind of performs. Full leather, and whew, see that bottom? Oh my goodness. The other main feature of the OGs I wanted to show you real quick is this neoprene sleeve. Comes with like a really neat kind of sock that really hugs the ankle and foot and heel. So yeah, there they are. OG10 limited edition reverse saddle colorway, black and white, and I'm stoked to get them out on the course and try them out. When I do, I'll do a full review, so come back here, fullbodyfix.com/YouTube for full review of the True Linkswear OG10s. Thanks guys, see you next time.